Over the years, several woodworkers have told me at shows that their partner bought them a router for Christmas, but they've been afraid to take it out of the box. Well, in all the 50 years I've been using a router, I've never ever been afraid of it, but I'd be more terrified of what most woodworkers take for granted, which is getting married and having kids. I suspect the fear is of creativity, but what about the tool itself? Yes, it's noisy. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you all you need to know to turn your fear into eager anticipation. So let's start with basics and look at what a router is, how it works, and what it can do. And I hope you enjoy my guitar playing. A router is essentially an electric motor with a cutter at the business end that rotates at a high speed. Now this is held in a jig or cradle, and when you plunge the cutter into the wood, it translates a hole into a groove. In fact, for many years the router was just used for cutting grooves, rebates and profiling edges. Now the router is the most versatile tool in the world, as I stated in my 1989 Pioneer book. So let's highlight the key elements that make a router so creative. First, the size and power of a router, and that includes cordless, so the cable doesn't get in the way. Secondly, a vast range of cutters of every imaginable profile. You only need a few to get creative. Jigs such as fences, templates for shape work, joint cutting jigs. Now let's take a quick look at what a router can do. Well, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already done so.